Now let's move on to the second portion of this exercise where we are going to discuss filling the blanks. Read the story and fill in the blanks, and the given words are diary, weary, vexing, deeds, fortnight, recording, good, rummage, money and raffle. The first statement is I had a dash dream. I had a vexing dream. The second statement is it was about a dash after Christmas. It was about a fortnight after Christmas. The third statement is I turned my head to see it was the recording angel. Fourth statement is he had a weary look. Weary means tired, thaka hua. Fifth statement is noble dash are always a great joy to me. Noble deeds are always a great joy to me. Sixth one is I have often thought of keeping a diary. Seventh statement is the author told the angel of his good deeds. Eighth statement is the author remembered the dash to which he sent all his old clothes. The author remembered the rummage. Ninth one is the show was well worth the money. 10th one is the author had joined the dash for a motor car. The author had joined the raffle for a motor car. So we are done with the exercise related to filling the blanks as well. I hope you have understood all these answers very well. Now let's move on to the last portion of this exercise where we are going to discuss MCQs. Read the lesson and tick the correct word. The first statement is the author had the dream about a week, fortnight, month after Christmas. It was fortnight. The second statement is it was the recording machine, device, angel following the author in his dream. So it was the recording angel. The third one is at Easter, Christmas, New Year, men and women became generous in London. So the correct one is Christmas. The fourth one is the author subscribed 10, 3, 5 shillings to the fund for the unemployed. It was 10. क्योंकि 5 उसने पहले सबमिट किया था लेकिन बाद में उसने रिकॉल किया कि उसने 5 नहीं बल्कि उसने 10 किया था. The fifth one is he had been to 4, 5 or 6 charity dinners. So he had been to 4 charity dinners. The sixth one is the notice appeared in the morning, afternoon and evening post. The correct one is morning. Seventh one is it was a huge, large, monster show in aid of the fund for the destitute. And the correct one is monster. Eighth one is the journey, dinner, show was well worth the money. And the answer is show. Ninth one is there were many other big, great, noble deeds of the author. And the correct one is noble. The last statement is the author sent all of his old clothes to the annual rummage grand sale. And the correct one is rummage. So we are done with this exercise. I hope you have understood this exercise very well. और यहीं पे आपकी ये किताब भी ख़त्म हो जाती है. मुझे उम्मीद है कि इस चैप्टर के साथ साथ आपको बाकी तमाम चैप्टर्स की भी एक्सरसाइज बहुत अच्छे से समझ आई होंगी. This is Huma, your English instructor from tutoria.pk. Allah Hafiz.